How to smell exactly like strawberries. Hey, pretty girls. Welcome back to my channel. So do you want to smell just like fresh, juicy strawberries? Let's dive into the sweetest tips that would make your aura instantly attractive. These tips would include 1. Strawberry-infused body care. 2. DIY strawberry body mist. 3. Strawberry-scented perfumes and candles. 4. Fresh strawberry bath. Tip 1. Strawberry-infused body care. Starting your day with a strawberry-scented body wash is a fantastic way to set the tone. These products are designed to cleanse your skin while leaving a lingering, delicious aroma. Look for body washes that are enriched with natural strawberry extracts and moisturizing ingredients to keep your skin soft and hydrated. Next, we move on to strawberry-infused lotions. These are perfect for locking in moisture after your shower or bath. A good strawberry lotion will not only hydrate your skin but also leave a subtle, long-lasting fragrance. You can also use strawberry-scented lip balms or tinted gloss for more fruity sweet scent. Tip 2. DIY strawberry body mist. Create your own body mist. Start with fresh, ripe strawberries. Wash and chop them into small pieces. Next, place the strawberries in a bowl and add a cup of distilled water. Let this mixture sit for a few hours to allow the strawberries to infuse their fragrance into the water. After a few hours, strain the mixture to remove the strawberry pieces, leaving you with a beautifully scented strawberry water. Add a few drops of essential oils like lavender or vanilla. These will complement the strawberry scent perfectly. Mix everything well and pour your infused water into a spray bottle. Give it a good shake. And there you have it, your very own DIY strawberry-infused body mist. You can also use factory-manufactured body mists of popular companies like Victoria's Secret or anyone you like. Or if you're low on budget, you can easily make your own body mist with the earlier given instructions. Tip 3. Strawberry-scented perfumes and candles. Use a strawberry-scented perfume. Look for ones with real fruit extracts for the most authentic smell. Apply the perfume to your pulse points, wrists, neck, and behind the ears for a lasting scent. Enhance the strawberry experience with a strawberry-scented candle. It fills your space with a sweet, inviting aroma, creating a delightful atmosphere. Tip 4. Fresh strawberry bath. Transform your bath into a strawberry-scented haven with a fresh strawberry bath. Start by adding strawberry-scented bubble bath to warm water. The bubbles will release a delightful strawberry aroma. Next, slice some fresh strawberries and add them to your bath. Not only do they smell amazing, but they also have natural skin-nourishing properties. Sink into your strawberry-scented bath and let the sweet fragrance envelop you. Alright, pretty girls, thanks for joining me on this aromatic journey to smelling like strawberries. Remember, the key is finding products with real strawberry extracts and layering them for a lasting scent. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tips and tricks. Stay sweet and fresh, and we'll see you in the next video. Lots of love. Bye!